Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today's going to be, of course, another Mustang video. If you watched the last video, we painted the rear bumper. We got 2013 GT rear bumper. It has the 2013 GT 500 lower valence. We're going to get that installed this week sometime. Today, we are going to install a budget big brake kit for the S197 Mustang. So let me grab all this together and I'm going to show you the part numbers that you'll need. This can be accomplished under $300 for 4-piston front calipers, 14-inch rotors, really good brake pads. You can spend a little bit more and get stainless lines. I did not opt for that, but you can. So let me get all these part numbers together and I'll show you exactly what you're going to need. All right, guys, so this is going to be both of your calipers. This is your part number for, I think, the right one. This is the part number for the left one. These are available through, I think, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, RockAuto.com. The best deal I found was on O'Reilly's. There was actually 10% off of these. These are $88 a piece after your core charge. Now these are identical, and I did compare them to a 2012 GT 500 front caliper. They are identical to the Brembos. They come in a black powder coat. They are 4-piston. Comes with all of your hardware that you need. So like I said, these are basically Brembos for $88, because the only difference, and you can kind of see the grind marks right here. It said FOMO Manufacturing Brembo on these, on the GT 500 ones, and these do not. These just, they have no markings on them, but these are pretty much Brembos. I don't know if they perform as good, but I assume a 4-piston caliper over those 2-piston calipers are going to be night and day. Now, I hopped on Rock Auto, and they had the Power Stop Evolution. I forgot the exact part number, but this all came as a kit. These are 14-inch rotors from the GT 500. And these are ceramic pads, and it also comes with brake lube. This was, I think, $140 after this little rebate they gave you. And like I said, these are about $160 for both of these. So the whole kit here got delivered to my house for around 300 bucks. Like I said, that is not including stainless steel lines if you choose to do them. I did not. I will probably upgrade them in the future, but my brakes are really bad now, so I need to go ahead and get these put on. So I'll upgrade the stainless lines in a future video. But I'm gonna get all this packaged together. I'm gonna head over to my buddy Brandon's house. He's got room in his garage right now, so we're gonna do the install over there, and I will see you guys there in just a second. But first, here's a cold startup. And to my neighbors, I'm sorry. Guys, so it's actually the next day. I ended up having to hurry kind of through the install. I didn't film a whole lot of it, but it's very straightforward. It's taking the old calipers and brackets off. It is taking the old rotors off, and you can use your stock brake lines like I said. This is them complete. That is 14-inch rotors. We have Brembo replica 4-piston calipers. Yes, brake best 4-piston calipers. If you will look here, they are identical to the 2012 GT 500s, both from the side and from the top. So yeah, I kind of slapped some Brembo stickers on them. It is what it is. Kind of a posery thing to do, but they look good. I like the kind of red sticker on there. It is very, very straightforward. You do install the brake calipers straight to, I guess, the hub assembly instead of using a bracket. These are bracketless, but the install is literally about 15 minutes per side. When you bleed these, bleed the outside first and then bleed the inside one, because there are 2 bleeder plugs on these with the crossover pipe. So bleed the ones on the outside first, then bleed the ones on the inside where the brake hose is actually going in, and that's the same procedure for both sides. The stopping power, it feels like it has tripled from what it was with just the 2 piston calipers. So guys, I know that's kind of a quick video and I didn't record a whole lot of the install, but if you've ever changed brake pads or brake rotors, the install is exactly the same. Take off your caliper, take off your bracket, take off your rotor, unhook the hose, and then for install your rotor, install your caliper with the 2 bolts that came out of the bracket. Go ahead and hook your hose up, slide your brake pads in from the top, and it does have the quick release pins on these. So it is quick release brake pads, which is awesome. For a little over $300, you can't beat it. I did luck up and there was 10% off on the brake calipers, and there was a mail-in rebate on the power stop. I think it's like the Z14 or Z17 kit. It may be a little more expensive for you just because I caught them on sale. Still, I think even regular, it should be no more than $350. And for $350, this brake upgrade is well worth it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, since this is Sunday and this is coming out on Thursday, we should be over 3K because I'm only like 3 subscribers away. So guys, thank you so much for getting me to 3K. So now I guess we're on our way to 4K, and I will see you guys on the next video as always.